Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordine if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a demo and review of the new colored Raine Rebellious Nudes eyeshadow palette. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I created two different looks using this palette. I'm just going to start from the beginning, just letting you guys know that I really enjoy this palette. Okay, I'm going to insert swatches of the palette, but this is what the packaging looks like. And this is the color story of the palette. It retails for $25. $25. $25. Now, it really depends on what kind of makeup you normally wear or how you feel about the price of makeup, but I feel like $25 is really affordable for an eyeshadow palette of this quality. The quality of this eyeshadow palette is amazing. And $25 is an affordable price for that. Like, I would pay $50 for this. Yeah. But don't raise the prices. But I would pay $50 for this because it's that good, okay? So this is what the unicorn of the Rebellious Nudes palette looks like. It's really pretty. Basically just giving you the color story of what you're going to see on the inside. I like it. So this is the actual component. It's the same as the unicorn. And then this is what the palette looks like. So you have your warm and neutral tones. And then it has a huge mirror, which I'm not mad at. It looks really good. Good quality mirror. Yes, I'm into it. The shimmers look so pretty. I'm really excited to try this. So you have 9 mattes and 3 shimmers. So the majority of the palette is mattes, which I think a lot of people will like. And you have those very pretty shimmers here. So let's go ahead and do a look with this palette. Alright guys, so my eyes are already primed. I have a mixture of concealer and the Anastasia eyeshadow base as my primer. So let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to be using the colored Raine brush. This is the large blending brush. And we're going to be going in with this color here. It's called Wet Rules. I'm going to place that in my crease. Just blend in very easily. I'm starting off with a little bit and just slightly picking up more as I'm going, just to keep it pretty seamless. You have more control that way. If you're going with too much color, sometimes it's harder to blend out, but this has a nice blend to it either way. It's not patchy at all. There we go. Next, I'm going in with the Sephora Collection number 27 brush, and I want to go in with this shade. Grown Up Time, this darker brown down here. Very pretty. This color I'm going to keep closer to the crease, not as blown out as the first color, so that it defines the crease a little bit more. There you go. Got it. Okay, that layered very nicely. Very pretty. Next, I'm going to go in with this colored Raine brush. It's called the Small Blending Brush. And I'm going to pick up the black. The black is called Who Gon' Check Me? Yes. Who Gon' Check Me, boo? We're going to keep that concentrated on the lower lash of the outer eye. Yes. And then pull it up and on the outer eye. So I'm going back in with the large blending brush with the first color that we use, What Rules, and just blending out the edges. For my lid color, I'm going to go in with this shade. It's called Big Boss Energy. Cute. It has like a shift to it. I'm using this flat brush. Let's see how it applies with this brush. Oh yeah. That is so pretty. It's like this green shift. Oh, I love it. Like antique green gold type of shift. I'm gonna go in with this one right here, Misunderstood. Same brush, just flip it over. Let's see what this one does. Let's pop it in the inner corner. And the inner crease. Okay. Look at that, you guys. This is giving me Auntie Pat vibes. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, look at the shift. Look at the shine, but it's not overly chunky and metallic. Wow. This palette is $25. 25. I am very impressed. I mean, Colored Raine has amazing formulas overall, okay? This brand is bomb. But this is beautiful. You guys, look at that. Oh, I love it. All right, I'm just gonna go in and finish off my bottom lash line. I'm gonna pop on some of the black and the first like warm brown that we use and some lashes and liner, and I'll come back and I'll give you my overall thoughts. Alright, so we're going to be doing another look with the Rebellious Nudes palette from a Colored Raine. I don't know exactly what I do. I want to keep it matte silky. Yeah, let's do that because I already used the shimmer, so let's just go in with the mattes now. We're going in with this fair shade here, What Rules, as my transition shade. Going in with, again, the Colored Raine large blending brush. Shade right here is called I'm Speaking. That's what I'm going in with next as our crease color. Sephora collection number 27. I think I want to do a smoky eye. Going in with Who Gon' Check Me, the black. Smoke it out. This blend's so good, you guys. Yep, coming together really nicely. I'm going to go in with this shade now. Right here, this is called I Do What I Want with the same large blending brush that I used initially and kind of blend the edges with the black. With the Anastasia eyeshadow base, I'm going with a flat brush. This one is from Morphe. It's called the M421. Don't know if they still make it. Alright, so there we go. We have the Anastasia base on just to lighten up a little bit. We're going to go in with this color here. It's called Act Up. We're going to pat that on. Ooh. All right, again, we're gonna go in with this color here with the blending brush just to blend the lighter shade with the darker shade. And I'm going in my crease with that brush a little bit. There we go. Yes. And with that dark brown that we had, just going back in to blend the edges of the darker shades. I said I was gonna keep it all matte, but I'm not. I'm gonna go in with this one here. This is called Misunderstood with a reference number 3. Because why not? And then right here. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Isn't that so pretty? Yeah. Oh, I love that. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a bit of liner and lashes, and I'll come back and talk about this palette. So let me just go ahead and give you my thoughts on the eyeshadow palette. As I was applying the eyeshadows, I felt like the mattes blended so easily. They layered on top of each other so well. There was no muddiness, no patchiness, no cakiness to the eyeshadow, especially on top of me in my first look using just concealer, and then this second look I used the eyeshadow primer, and everything just blended really nicely, you guys. I love it so much. I feel like this palette is going to be a palette that I reach for a lot this year. Wow, it's amazing. This is definitely going to be a travel palette. You have your warm tones and your neutrals. The shimmers are intense. This shimmer right here has a nice flip to it, so it's giving me Auntie Pat vibes. When I wore this eyeshadow, as you can go back to my previous videos, I did get a lot of compliments on that eyeshadow look. You guys, this eyeshadow palette is really it. If you're looking for a new neutral warm palette, I think that you're really going to enjoy it. $25, you cannot beat that, you guys. Like, definitely give it a try if you're looking into trying it out. Colored Raine, in my opinion, has one of the best formulas when it comes to eyeshadows. Everything that Colored Raine does in general is really good. I love this bronzer. Where's my bronzer? See? Oh, it's right in front of me. I used it today. I love this bronzer. This is their matte bronzer. It's a little dirty because I use it all the time. Love the formula of this. So I feel like Colored Raine just does it well. They do everything really well. I also have another collection, the botanical collection. I'll be coming out with a video soon, so keep an eye out for that. But again, I definitely recommend this palette if you guys are looking into it. I think that they did an amazing job. And just look. Just really pretty. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you're interested in any of the items, I'll leave them linked down in the description box down below. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jordine. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up because it helps me out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.